जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सैयद तैमूर बुखारी है और मैं रीड राइट से खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। CSA 2023 का रिजल्ट सैटरडे डिक्लेयर हुआ एंड टुडे आई हैव विद मी ज़ुपाश आगा एंड शी इज़ माय स्टूडेंट, शी इज़ फ्रॉम कराची। ज़ुपाश इज़ अ बिजनेस ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम ज़ैबिस्ट कराची और ज़ुपाश की ये थर्ड अटैम्प्ट थी। ये मैं मेंशन इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि वो लोग जिनकी अभी एलोकेशन नहीं हुई या जो इनकी सेकंड अटैम्प्ट में नहीं कर सके, तो ज़ुपाश अपना जर्नी उनके साथ शेयर करेंगी, कैसे उनका जर्नी रहा। इनकी पहली अटेम्प्ट 2019 में थी, 2020 में थी और इनका जर्नी मेरे साथ ऑनलाइन सेशन में स्टार्ट हुआ 2021 के अंदर। तो अभी ज़ुपाश के पास चलते हैं और पूछते हैं कि हाउ इज शी फीलिंग एट द मोमेंट।
I never thought this day would come. I never thought I would actually qualify, and if I ever did qualify, I would land in the group of my choice. So it feels like a dream, and you know, I'm still just feeling very dreamy.
ओके अच्छा, मुझे ये बताइए कि जब आपने सेशन लिए 2021 में 2021 में, then why didn't you appear in 2022?
So because I realized there's so many gaps in my preparation that I need to like get to it, especially when it comes to written. So maybe the knowledge bit was there, but the written preparation was not there. So I had to practice with the test series and stuff, and then.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you took an online session with us in 2021, and then you did not appear in 2022.
No.
And then how did you manage your writing practice? What did you do for that?
I ended up taking a test series again online.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And then I kept writing because you told us कि you know written practice किस तरह से करनी है. So I just used to write by myself.
And it was your last attempt? Or
Yes.
Okay, ठीक है.
Last attempt.
ठीक है.
So I said okay, so Sir Taimur said कि इस तरह लिखना है. So then I used to practice by myself.
ठीक है.
Then I gave it was so random. I was just sitting over there and the G1 test session ka aaya and they said, you know, just write an answer and an essay outline and introduction. And I wrote it and I just sent it. It was very random. I just having tea and I did it. Okay. And then the list came and my name was there. It was very, very random. I had no plans of actually coming to Lahore.
Exactly.
But then I did pass that and so I told my parents, I said, you know, अब हो गया है, so like maybe you know I know something. Like if I have G1 का test पास तो कुछ तो आता ही है.
Exactly.
So they were very chill about it. So you know they were like just go. इधर भी तैयारी होती है, उधर भी होती है. If it's your last attempt and you want to go and there's a good teacher over there, then why not?
And finally you took leap of faith and you finally came in September.
Yes.
And September you started your rigorous practice. But one thing I want to mention here, you were always in disbelief. And I was always in belief. So what was that? You know, our conversation that started that, you know, you were always, how can you say that? You know, I would pass it and I kept on telling you. So what was that?
So I never skipped a test. And
yes,
after,
you never did. You
yeah.
never did.
So I used to give my tests to the staff room as well, but I used to show you alag as well.
True.
Practice, you know, write-ups.
Yes, true.
And after a certain point, you said, Zupash, pass hai.
बिल्कुल.
And then I used to say, sir, नहीं आप फिर भी देखें.
ऐसे ही है.
And they used to say, pass hai. And you know, you used to be like, please just believe me already.
Yes.
And I said, sir, please देख लें, because it was my last attempt.
Yes.
So, you know, there's a lot of difference in terms of...
और फिर आप जाने लगी थी कुछ अर्सा पहले, फिर क्या हुआ?
Sir, my ticket was booked.
Okay.
And I just wanted to say goodbye before I left. So I came to your office, I said, sir, I just came here to say goodbye and, you know, thank you for everything. And I'll go home and there was, I think, 1 month left. It was January. And then you said, no, you're not going anywhere. You will stay here and write your essays. फिर हमारा essay session start हुआ था.
Yes, essay start हुआ, exactly.
And in 2 weeks, we wrote about 20 plus essays.
Yes. वो मैं इसलिए कर रहा था क्योंकि ज़ुपाश की थर्ड अटेम्प्ट थी. And she came to me with a leap of faith. उन्होंने इतनी बड़ी जस्ट ली, एतमाद की, उस एतकाद की जिसके साथ यहाँ पर आई, तो उसके लिए मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी बढ़ गई. And we prepared and alhamdulillah, you know, कि I was the first one to tell you the written
Yes.
result. और उसके बाद हम एंड करते हैं गुफ्तगू का. एक रात पहले ज़ुपाश ने मुझे टेक्स्ट किया कि रिजल्ट आने वाला है या नहीं आने वाला, तो वी वर हैविंग अ कन्वर्सेशन. सो प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट दैट कन्वर्सेशन. वो क्या कन्वर्सेशन थी?
So again, because it's a third attempt and, you know, we never believe third attempt people, you know,
Yes.
till the final result is not there.
Yes.
So I said, sir, you know, maybe like it's not going to be very good. Maybe the written will be bad. Maybe the interview was not so good. So I won't get a very good group maybe. Or like maybe I just won't get allocated. I also had this phobia for some reason. And sir wrote literally, pass ain't bad, ? And I said, it's not bad at all. And when the final result came, I actually got that group.
Yes. And you topped in
Sundarban's
Sundarban's candidates as well. Zupash, बहुत मुबारक
So
हो
thank
आपको.
you.
We'll come with a long journey of, you know, the complete journey of Zupash. Stay tuned with us. बहुत मुबारक हो. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir.